Hi friends, I am Tilak, you watching TechMate Unique, and today we are going to see how to change the cell style or cell color on your Microsoft Excel app on your mobile phone version. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to change the cell style on your Microsoft Excel on your mobile device. I'm just going to show. For an example, I just need to change the fourth and fifth cell style. So select the cell first, then click on this arrow section, and it is on the home section. Scroll down to the bottom section, and you can find option called cell style. So here you can find the cell style option. Click on this. Here the good, bad, you can see in cell style there is a good, bad and neutral, or data one model, title and heading, and the themed cell colors. You can just choose. For an example, just going to choose this to 50% of green, and click on this and just going to choose as a blue, or I just going to choose the cell style as purple, and here the cell style can be changed to and modified it into orange. The same process can be repeated. For an example, for this I just going to change the cell style to and something like this, or you can see everything has been changing. The process is so easy that you can just change the cell style colors by clicking the cell. Just clicking the cell, you can just change the colors whatever you just needed. So this can be used for denoting the important key cells or important things, or you can differentiate between the headings and whatever. This is how you just change the cell style on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super Mario content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful day.